Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create email filters in Gmail like a pro step by step. Filters are amazing for organizing your inbox, automating repetitive tasks, and staying productive. This full guide for 2026 will teach you how to set up filters that actually work. Open Gmail and click the gear icon, then see all settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and click Create a new filter. Define your filter criteria, sender, subject, keywords, attachments, and more. Click Create Filter and select Actions. Apply a label, mark as important, archive, delete, forward, or star. You can also apply the filter to existing emails to instantly clean up your inbox. Use labels to categorize filtered emails like client, project, or urgent. Filters are editable. You can edit or delete them anytime. Combine filters with stars, priority inbox, and tabs for maximum productivity. Smart filters can turn Gmail into a powerful task manager. And that's how to create email filters in Gmail like a pro step by step in 2026. If this helped you organize your inbox and save time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.